With MailerLite, you can fully customize how your landing pages look on mobile, so your visitors always get the best experience. Let's go over some of the functionality in our mobile view editor. Start in your dashboard. Go to the left sidebar, click Sites, and make sure you have the Landing Pages tab selected. Either create a new landing page or edit one you've already built. Let's click Edit on a page we've already built. Inside the editor, you'll see your landing page layout, the header, body elements, and footer. To switch to mobile view, click the phone icon in the top bar next to the desktop icon. This shows exactly how your page will look on mobile. To begin editing the mobile view landing page, click into any block, then hit Edit Styles. Here, you can choose whether you want your cards in a row, column, or neither. You can add a drop shadow, adjust padding, corner roundness, alignment, and choose how many columns you'd like to have. We'll stick with one since that looks the best with our current layout. You can also hide an entire row from the mobile or desktop view. Next to the Edit Styles button, you'll see an eye icon that says Visibility when you hover over it. Click this and you'll see visibility options. You can choose between desktop and mobile, desktop only, or mobile only. If you select desktop only, you'll see the row turned into a block that says Hidden on Mobile. And if we switch over to the desktop view, you'll see that the row is still visible. Now let's go ahead and make it visible on mobile again. Now, if we select mobile only and go over to the desktop view, you'll see that the row has a hidden row on desktop block. Let's go ahead and set it back to display on desktop and mobile. You can also adjust the margins in your template by clicking into a section and dragging the green tab that appears up or down. You're able to drag new elements directly into the mobile editor without impacting the desktop view. For example, let's drag in a button with a mobile-focused call to action, like Connect on WhatsApp. MailerLite will automatically hide this element from the desktop view. Likewise, if there's something on the desktop that you don't want to see on mobile, click the eye icon to hide it in mobile view. Changes like hiding or showing elements are independent, meaning they won't affect how your desktop layout appears. You're also able to move blocks around in mobile view without changing the way your desktop landing page looks. Simply hover over an element, click the arrows to move it up or down. You can switch over to desktop view to see that this will not affect the way that your landing page appears on desktop. If you want different text for mobile view, drag in a new text block. And then hide the desktop view block as needed. When you're done, use the preview button to check both mobile and desktop views. Once you're happy, hit Done Editing to save your changes.